Hello, my name is Leigh Aschoff, and this is a Heart Peace Healing Guided Connection. This is in honor and celebration of today's full moon. So you can do this meditation, this guided connection anytime. You can do it on a full moon. You can do it on another day of the moon phase. And this is all an invitation. So I want to remind you that this guided connection doesn't take the place of any of the one-on-one healing sessions that I offer. If something that I say doesn't resonate or land for you, you can skip over it. And I encourage you to stop at any time if something doesn't feel right for you. I advise strongly that you do not listen to this while you're driving. And I want to also name that it is possible that some emotions, body sensations may arise during your experience. And if so, I encourage you to gently be with and meet what is arising for you. And once again, if you need to pause or step away early to move into compassionate self-caring action, I fully encourage that for you. So to begin, I invite you to find a comfortable seated position. You can also lie down if you prefer. You need to find a comfortable position. You can soften your gaze and look down, or you can close your eyes. And for a moment here, I invite you to come into connection with your breath in the inside of your body, noticing your breath and noticing your body, offering yourself unconditional noticing for a few breaths as you connect with your breath and body. On your exhales, I invite you to begin to relax your body, really allowing your body to soften into the support of what you're sitting on and lying on. Whatever is accessible to you now in terms of relaxing a little more. And every exhale, allow your breath to flow down into connection with Mother Earth, going as deep as the core of the earth, and relaxing your body, allowing earth energy, which is slow, supportive, nurturing, and nourishing. Allow this earth energy to connect with your energy as you breathe and relax in this way. And begin to guide your breathing attention to flow along the center of your body for a few breaths, inviting this earth energy to flow with your breath and attention. From the center of your body, invite your breath and awareness to flow throughout your whole body, your whole physical body, whole energy body. And Really honoring your wholeness as you breathe and invite your awareness to flow in this way. You can begin to envision the full moon fully lit by the sun, fully showing itself in its fullness. And as you breathe with awareness of your own fullness, I invite you to sense and envision the moon light of the full moon to shine upon your own fullness and holiness. And honoring this resonant connection of light, fullness, being, togetherness, and connection. You can invite the moonlight of the full moon to connect, flow throughout your whole being in all directions. Notice how it is for you to receive this light of the full moon on your own fullness. Allowing your body and your energy to be large, to take up space, to receive this moonlight, to receive light falling upon it, to be seen, to be felt, to be known. To bring your attention to your heart space, physical and energy heart. Just breathing and noticing how your heart is right now. Whatever you are in touch with in your heart space, I invite you to honor that as part of the fullness of your heart. I invite you to honor that as part of the wisdom and energy of your heart. To allow your heart to receive the light of the full moon. Allow your heart to be shone upon with this light. Allow your heart to receive the connection with the moonlight. And that sensation of receiving, being with, and experiencing connection, experiencing being lit up, seen, felt, and known. You can take a few moments here to invite this light reflecting from the full moon onto your heart to flow into connection with the moonlight reflecting through your body. So there's a commingling of this moonlight through your system, through your heart body. And begin to notice your breath, notice your body. As you continue to breathe, invite your breath to flow with your body, with your heart, and allowing your heart body to land in this moment, anchoring your heart body exactly where you are on this planet, this time, right here, right now. If you'd like to place your hands on your body somewhere, I welcome you to do that. And honoring your choice to connect in this way, honoring your heart, honoring your body, honoring your breath. And welcome to begin to take any gentle movement that you might feel called to take. Toes, fingertips, maybe stretching your arms. And really gently taking your time to lift your gaze, open your eyes. And I thank you for joining in this guided connection. And I invite you to thank yourself and thank all parts of you. And I appreciate sharing this with you. And may all beings experience heart peace, love, and belonging. Thank you.